Hello. Okay, so let's just go home straight because we don't know whether we can reach home or not with the gasoline that we have. It's quite it will be a thrill in going home. So let's see. We should still have enough, you know. But the thing is, I had this gasoline warning since the morning. So hopefully we're still fine. And I think we are still. Yeah. I think it's not a problem, hopefully. So yes, we'll be recording from the entire time. I'm using right now here this view. This is the Insta360 OneX2, and the one at the back is the Insta360 OneX. So let's see if it's a good perspective. Let's hope that it's gonna be okay and it's not gonna fall off. And traffic again. Try to observe the one that behind me we got. And to be honest, this is my favorite setup for vlogging, let's say, because it's quite handy. It's quite handy, and I'm enjoying it a lot, you know. Look, because the AK550 is a quite big scooter. It's a maxi scooter, so we cannot just like pass through the middle or to the side. So we just need to take it easy. So this is my setup right now. My Insta360 OneX is behind me. From this view, this is I placed it on my racket, attached it on my racket using the Olanzi clamp. And now this one here, the front view facing to me, I'm using the Insta360 OneX2 with the with the wireless Go 2. So we're wireless right now, guys, and I hope it's not too loud. I set the audio around -24 or -24. Hopefully it's a bit clear, so I'm using one audio only. So let's see how it goes, because it is a quite challenging setup, actually. Challenging in the sense of the editing. Traffic is bad. Hopefully, I think it's just the buses stopping on the bus stop. So it's good because we finished early today. It's still 5:25. Okay, yeah. Be nice to people. And this is how it goes. So if we don't have our bike with us right now, then basically we'll be lining with those people over there. And now I'm turning on the heated grips on my bike, because as you see, our bikes has some heater, because it's quite cold here in Hong Kong now. As you see, I'm wearing jacket, windbreaker. So it's already cold here. And the thing is, Ferrari, Forza, Forza, Forza. Okay, and we're following a coupe right now, Mini Cooper. Ooh, Cooper is scary. Broom, broom, broom. Follow, follow lang. I will follow you. I'll follow wherever you may go. Yeah. Very nice sunset. So everybody's turning right. Okay, look. So in that situation there, the black car has to give way to those. Oh, now it's our turn because we have the priority. It's quite fun, huh? Hopefully will be properly exposed on the Insta360 OneX2 because I set it in manual. It should be very windy now if we're gonna use the audio of the Insta360 OneX. Actually, I'm quite okay with the Insta360 OneX. The only thing is we cannot connect it to a wireless microphone, or we cannot hook it up with a mic. So that's the disadvantage. Tesla, so many Tesla. Silaga Tesla. Kita Kymco AK550. Well, anyway. Oh, nice sunset. I love the sunset. And yes, you can see the Mini is stealing some lines. I don't know what's the temperature here right now because it's quite cold, but because of the heated grips it's okay. I've got my gloves with me, but it's fine. It doesn't think it's still bearable. If I don't have my heated grips, I'll be freezing already, but I'm fine. I have my heated grips. So, all good. Ciao, ciao, ciao. So this is the time of the year. this the best time to hike. Another Tesla. Woohoo! Another taxi. Woohoo! And look at the sunset. Woohoo! Look at the sunset. Boom! And that's Llama Island right there. Ooh. Hopefully it's not that busy. Hopefully. Signal more time. So give way lang sila. That's how it's supposed to be. And now back to Hong Kong Telecenter. No, passing by Hong Kong Telecenter. And there's another AK over there. Spotted. AK spotted. This is our friend's bike. And our bike is already empty, blinking already. We need to get to the gasoline station now. The gasoline station where I have it refilled. Because it's crying for gas.